time to change the oil. Can you believe it? We're on the road for about 4,000 kilometers now. My friend Lennart, he wrote me on Instagram and offered help for whatever I would need it. I'm on my way to him right now and I'm going to do the oil change there. Hi Lennart. How are you doing, man?
Hello.
How's it going?
Just fine.
So yeah, we're going to do the oil now. Awesome. Of course we also changed it. That's a very nice camera light here. It's very good. That's fresh oil. I spilled some oil. One more thing I want to do is change the front brake pads because they are really getting... Let's go right to it. Doing things together is so much better, so much easier. Now it comes back.
Yep. Now you have brakes again.
Yeah.
Oh.
It has originally has a red seat and red protectors here.
Oh.
But actually that doesn't look really good.
It's too red.
No, like when everything is just red. We did the oil, we did the brakes, and yeah, now I'm good to go. Thanks, Lennart. The man of the hour. Ah. How do I look, guys? And what does it say? I don't speak the language. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what it means.
Thank my wife.
Yeah, give her a hug from me. Man, that was so cool, really. I appreciate it a lot, and thanks for taking the time. Lennart, have a great day. Thank you so much. Okay, friends. Do the brakes work? Huh? Yeah, they have to. Whew. Ah, so good. I feel good now that the oil is changed. So we're good for the rest of the trip, hopefully. I'm meeting with Maree now. She has a flight.
Buy tickets with another airline, get your money back. But Norwegian and Flyr, the other two companies that fly to Oslo, are completely full booked for like 20 days.
Finland.
To Berlin on Friday.
So we have to go to Finland.
Can you drive me to Finland, please?
Let's go to Finland. Is it not comfortable on the motorcycle?
Well, this is more comfortable.
The stone!
It's more comfortable, it's warm and it's relaxing.
Let's go!
We drive the whole day.
We literally have been on the bike for like 40 minutes.
Drive the whole day.
You can't take a nap every 10 minutes.
Looks comfy cozy.
Oil levels. I think we're gonna make like 200 kilometers more today. I hope it doesn't rain.
Good one.
So we halve it. I get the top, she gets the bottom. We're in Finland. Mosquitoes are really so bad. We're lucky that it rained. I could just wipe them off. Really. And yeah, the roads are just straight, going straight all the time. Which is good now because we have to do some kilometers. Yeah, we'll continue tomorrow morning. Good? We got up an hour late because over there is Sweden. Like over there is the border to Sweden, and apparently also a border for a different time zone, because in our room the phone always switched 1 hour forth, 1 hour back all the time. That is the reason we are late this morning, but it doesn't really matter. Maree's flight goes tomorrow, so we're all good. I packed Maree in the rain suit, so she's gonna be warm and toasty the whole day. Is that better now?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
All cozy?
Cozy wozy.
Is that bugs?
Bug. That's what I found.
Oh.
Bundaberg.
Oh.
The real Bundaberg from Australia.
That is awesome.
How'd you
Really?
get it?
On a scale from 1 to 10, how comfortable is the Honda?
Like an armchair would be 10. A bike would be like a 5.
So it's a 5.
Well, yeah, an armchair like would be 10. So it's not uncomfortable,
Okay.
like sitting on rocks. Well, this is more comfortable.
The stone. So would you say the glass is half full or half empty?
This one? This one is half full. What do you want from me now?
On a scale from 1 to 10, how boring is it?
Mind-numbing boring. If I was driving, it'd make the day way more fun. But sitting on the back, all I can see is your big head. We go now. Number 9. Wow. Who looks there? Oh, the second door. The second door.
Where's
Thank God we're home.
Alright guys, we made it. I got Maree here and she's gonna make her flight tomorrow. I really don't mind the detour. I'm just happy she can get back to Berlin. I'm gonna drop off Maree tomorrow at the airport. After that, I'm gonna be back on my way up to the North Cape, back to Norway. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. What are you doing? You can't be always tired.